Hey guys! We just discovered a bar that opens as early as 11 in the morning. This is the new Darbar Lounge located at Hotel Ramada Old Town Doha. There is no entrance fee. They have different themes every day such as Pink Night, Afro Night, Bollywood Party, Arabic Night, and Commercial Night. The bar has cool lights and the interior is very nice too. Plus, you have Cornish View. They have happy hours from 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. and also, there is a 40% discount for hoteliers and ladies cabin crew. So what are you waiting for? Try new Darbar Lounge today.
Hey guys, kamusta ang lahat? Meron na naman tayong na-discover na bagong gimikan dito sa Qatar. Alam ko maraming mga mahilig gumimik dito. Charot! Kaya this video is for you. This is the new Darbar Lounge located at Hotel Ramada Old Town Doha. Sa entrance pa lang ay napakaganda na ng signage, Instagrammable na. No membership required dito kaya no need to worry for the entrance fee. Pagpasok nyo ay yung bar area na yung una nyong makikita. Napakaganda ng mga pailaw nila, then sa loob, ganito ang itsura. Ang laki ng stage nila, tapos yung mga upuan ay very comfortable. At ang pinakagusto ko sa lahat ay may Cornish View. Meron silang live band at in fairness, ang ganda ng boses ni ate. At ang galing din syempre ng kanilang band. So here are the clips. In between ng sets ng band ay